hope you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we have a very exciting Lush haul. I haven't filmed a generic Lush haul in so long. It's normally focused on collections and limited edition things, but honestly I went into Lush recently and I just had a field day. I went around, smelt pretty much every single thing they had in the shop and just picked up what I wanted to buy. So I basically left spending £64 and we have a bit of a Lush haul. I thought, do you know what, it's only fair that I share all these products with you because honestly I am so excited to try every single one of these items, and a lot of these have actually been on my wish list for a long time. So we are going to dive into the haul. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first item I picked up was actually the main reason I went into Lush in the first place, and that is the Soother toothpaste jelly. Now I have used these for so long. I absolutely love them. I feel like they're definitely like a love-hate thing. I feel some people love them, some people hate them. I prefer this to the tablets. Ryan actually prefers the tablets, I believe, to this, so it just depends on what you prefer. But this one I have used before. I absolutely love it. It tastes very similar to the big red chewing gum that you can get in America. It is so good. It's very aniseedy, very cinnamony, and it's just a really lovely flavour. I really enjoy this one. Ingredients wise in this we have organic clove infusion. You also have aniseed oil, clove bud oil, almond essential oil, agar and carrageenan extract, and essentially, as I said, it does smell very cinnamony, very big red chewing gummy, very aniseedy. It is so good. I feel like really this isn't a flavour that when reading out those ingredients I would gravitate towards. Like I feel like when I hear the word aniseed I'm a bit like, oh, like I'm not gonna like that, but this is so good. These retail for £7.50, so they are obviously a bit more expensive than your generic kind of Colgate or whatever that you use. I just find that this makes my teeth super clean and I love the flavours that they offer. I just really love these. I honestly cannot recommend the toothpaste jellies enough. I know they have recently released a sleepy flavour, which I'm not going to lie, kind of makes me a little bit nervous, but I do really want to try that one next. So I'm going to use this one up and then get that one, I think. But that is the first thing I bought, and probably the whole reason I spent so much money is because of this. So it's all your fault. The next item is a body scrub, and that is the Basma body scrub. So this is part of a limited edition collection. I have been wanting this for quite a few weeks now and I love the smell of this. To me this smells very similar to the Juice is Loose shower gel which came out for the Beetlejuice range, but I love this one. It smells like grape and kind of raspberry and oh, it's so good. It's giving Vimpto but like grapey. I wish you guys could smell this. It's absolutely delicious. The kind of texture of this one is definitely more on the rub side as opposed to like the Sticky Dates thick scrub side, but I really love this one. Ingredients wise in this one we have got fine sea salt, blackcurrant absolute, Davana oil, lime oil, Brazilian orange oil, fresh raspberry juice and blackcurrant juice and grape juice. So many juices and oils and things. It is just so fruity and mouth-watering and just lovely. Oh, that is absolutely delish. Honestly, the smell of this one, I really wanted to get myself a large one, but I thought, do you know what, Melody, rein it in, because I did also pick up 2 more scrubs as well as this one. So I thought, do you know what, get a small one, give it a little bit of a try, and if I love it, I might get a big one before it goes away. So that is the next item I picked up, and price-wise, that one was £7. The next item I picked up was a shower gel, and originally when I saw this a few months ago, I didn't have the urge to pick it up, I'm not gonna lie. Like, don't get me wrong, I love the smell of cherry blossoms. I think it's beautiful. The actual smell of this shower gel was really good when I smelt it, but I smelt it again and I am in love with it. This is the Sakura shower gel, and if I'm being honest with you, I mainly bought it because look at the packaging. It's absolutely beautiful and it smells... It's so good. It smells like rub. It smells like Sakura. It's basically a very gentle cherry blossom kind of smell. It is so good, so delicious. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got lemon juice, lemon oil, mimosa absolute, orange flower absolute, and jasmine absolute, but it's giving very subtle kind of cherry blossom smells. Like I don't smell this and think lemon or like orange. It's definitely a very light, gentle floral fragrance, but it is beautiful. Like this packaging is absolutely stunning, and I just wanted to get a little bottle of it just to give it a little try. This one was £8.50, which I think is on the more higher end of shower gels. I could be wrong, but I think that definitely is sort of the mid to high range. I knew that I wanted to get a little bottle of this. As soon as I smelt it again in the shop, I was like, I have changed my mind. Like, I need to take one of these home with me. So I just got a little one just to give it a try, and I'm really glad I did. Very excited about that. The next item I picked up was yet again another body scrub, and this one was actually released as part of their Lush community range. And I won't lie to you guys, like originally, even though I love the fragrances, I wasn't gonna buy a lot of them because I just felt like I had enough scrubs, I didn't need them. But when I smelt this one again, I just fell in love with it, and I knew I needed a little pot of it, and that is the Creamy Candy Body Scrub. I don't think it helped that my friend Emma also bought one, and I just felt really left out that I needed to buy one, so I picked one up as well. Honestly, it's just it's so good. This is what it looks like. It's a really beautiful pink colour, absolutely adorable. Oh, it just smells incredible. If you guys haven't smelt Creamy Candy, the only way I can describe it is a very sweet candy scent. I know that's a really obvious way to describe it, but it is super, super sweet. If you love Snow Fairy, it is very, very likely you will love the scent of this one. Ingredients-wise in this, we have got cocoa butter, almond oil, coconut oil, vanilla absolute, and then a few fragrances and things, but honestly, oh, honestly, it's absolutely delicious. As I said, if you guys love really sweet kind of bubblegummy smells, you will absolutely love this one. But if you don't, they do have a bunch of other fragrances in this collection, which I feel like there's kind of a smell for everyone. There's fruity, there's floral, there's woodsy, there's like foodie. I feel like they've got everything. So I had to get this one. Don't get me wrong, I kind of want the posh chocolate one as well, but I just knew I needed this one. I also forgot to say this one was £10, and I believe the bigger pot is roughly about, I want to say 22, something like that, so I just got a little pot for now. The next item, I'm not gonna lie, was a little bit of a splurge item, but I have been wanting to try this product, honestly, for so long now, and I thought, you know what, sod it, let's just give it a go, and that is the Rehab Salty Shampoo. So, as far as I'm aware, this is basically a mixture of the Rehab shampoo and the Big shampoo, and I absolutely love both of those shampoos. I've used them for years, I love them so much, and I feel like I absolutely love a shampoo with a scrub in it. I'm currently using the ginger one, which I really enjoy, and I've also used, was it the banana one that also had a scrub in it? Absolutely devoured that one as well. This was the only one I think that I haven't really tried, so I wanted to give this one a go. Personally, I absolutely love when a shampoo has an exfoliant in it. I find it really just cleanses the scalp, makes it lovely and clean, and I honestly never have a more fresh feeling as to when I use an exfoliating shampoo. But this one is also the Rehab shampoo, so it's got that very like mentally minty kind of scalp tingling aspect as well, which I love. So ingredients wise in this one, we have got hand harvested coarse, I can't say that word, hand harvested coarse sea salt, that's a tongue twister. We also have papaya juice, pineapple juice, kiwi juice, carrageenan extract, lavender oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, juniper berry oil, jojoba oil, mango juice. It basically has just the most beautiful list of ingredients, but also because of the rosemary, because of the mint, very good for helping your hair grow and be healthy. That is what we need over here. So I am so excited to give this one a try. I've wanted to try it for months, and I'm just really glad I picked it up. So that was the next item, and this was a staggering £20. But I'm not mad about it. And last but definitely not least, we have another body scrub. Now, I know I went a little bit body scrub crazy, but I absolutely love Lush body scrubs. I feel like they've been releasing some really incredible ones recently, and I just had to have it. This one was £11, and that is the Sex Bomb body scrub. Again, this is one of those products that when I saw it was released, I didn't have the instant urge to pick it up. But as soon as I smelt it, and as soon oh, it's just so good. So this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it's pink and purple. I think the purple is just kind of deeper within the pot, but oh, it's absolutely beautiful. It's a very lovely kind of light floral scent, to be honest. I think this and this paired together would be beautiful. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got things like cocoa butter, coconut oil, clary sage oil, ylang ylang oil. It's basically a very, I think it's jasmine, don't get me wrong. I'm pretty sure jasmine is the main, actually I might be wrong. I think I might be wrong. What scent is Sex Bomb? I cannot remember now. Does it say? Oh no, it is. Jasmine and ylang ylang. That is the scent. It literally says it on the top. So it's a very lovely, gentle floral fragrance. A lot of people, if they would come in and they wanted that really subtle but kind of like gentle, beautiful floral smell, this scent is a perfect one to go for. But oh, I just absolutely love it. It's so good, and I'm so happy to finally have one just so I can give it a try. But honestly, I don't know what came over me. I felt very scrubby, obviously. So those are all of the items I picked up in my recent Lush haul. Honestly, I had the most amazing time just going around all the products, taking my time and just smelling everything. It was so fun, and honestly I think we were in there for probably about an hour. It was so fun and so just very nostalgic. I had a great time. So that is everything for today's video. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, please do. I just feel like we have the most amazing community on here, and if you guys would like to be involved, make sure you subscribe. Also, please let me know down below, have you tried any of these items? What did you think? I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. And yeah, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so endlessly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.